In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a simple but effective change to your Microsoft Word files by removing the borders from your text boxes. This step-by-step guide is perfect for anyone looking to polish their documents and make them more visually appealing. Whether you're finalizing a report or preparing a presentation, removing unnecessary lines from your text boxes can significantly enhance your document's appearance and readability. To get started, first, locate the Microsoft Word file where your text box is situated. You'll want to have this opened and ready so you can follow along with each step as we go. Once you have your file open, you should be able to easily spot the text box you wish to modify. Now, the next step is going to involve right-clicking on that text box. Doing this is going to bring up a menu with a variety of options. What you're looking for in this menu is the option that says Format Shape. This is a pivotal tool as it allows you to customize the appearance of your text box extensively. Once you've clicked on Format Shape, you will notice several tabs or options to choose from. What you want to do here is select the option that says Line. After selecting Line, you'll be presented with further options that relate specifically to the borders of your text box. Now here comes the key action. You should click on No Line. By selecting No Line, you are effectively instructing Microsoft Word to remove any visible borders from around your text box. This is especially useful for creating a cleaner, sleeker look in your document, as it allows the text box to blend seamlessly into the rest of your content. And there you have it. Once you've chosen No Line, you're done. Your text box should now be free from any borders, giving your document a modern and uncluttered appearance. It's a simple tweak, but one that can really make a difference in how your final product is perceived. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been clear and helpful. Don't hesitate to rewind and watch any part again if you need a refresher on any of the steps. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks on enhancing your Microsoft Word documents and other valuable tech tutorials. See you in the next video.